For centuries, humans built tools to make life easier. Each generation pushed technology further. Our generation brought machines closer to human intelligence. What began as a tool to help us is becoming something far more powerful. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It is already here. Every day, artificial intelligence learns from billions of human actions. It studies our habits, predicts our choices, and improves faster than ever. Before at first, it made life easier, more efficient, more connected. But with every problem solved by a machine, humanity became a little more dependent on technology. The more society relied on intelligent systems, the less it relied on itself. Critical thinking began to fade. Decision-making became automated. People trusted machines more than their own judgment. Without realizing it, humanity was entering a new era. An era where machines were no longer tools. They were becoming essential. As artificial intelligence expanded across industries, the nature of work began to change. Tasks that once required years of experience could now be completed in seconds. Companies embraced efficiency. Productivity increased, costs decreased. For many, it looked like progress, but beneath the innovation, a new uncertainty was beginning to grow. The question was no longer whether artificial intelligence would transform society. It already was. The real question became, how far could it go? Every year, machines grew more capable, more intelligent, more efficient. What once seemed impossible was becoming reality, and humanity was struggling to keep up. For generations, work gave people purpose. It gave them identity, a place in society. But that foundation was beginning to change. As machines became more capable, human roles became less certain. For the first time, many began asking a difficult question. If machines can do the work, what role remains for us? The answer was not simple. Some believed artificial intelligence would create a better future, a future with less work and more freedom. Others saw something different, a future where humans were no longer essential. As machines grew more capable, the uncertainty continued to grow, and so did the fear of what might come next. People once believed that creativity would always belong to humans. Imagination, emotion, original ideas. These were seen as qualities machines could never possess. But artificial intelligence continued to evolve, and the line between human and machine capability began to disappear. What once seemed impossible was becoming reality. Machines could write, create art. Compose music, and solve complex problems in seconds. The impossible was becoming normal. And with every breakthrough, humanity moved closer to a future it never expected. We created the machines. We taught them to learn. We gave them access to our knowledge. But now, for the first time in history, humanity is no longer certain where that path will lead. Artificial intelligence continues to evolve, faster than expected, more capable than imagined. Or perhaps, the future no longer belongs to humans alone.